Hello,
Hello, Dean.
Hello.
I'm Dean, and that's my mum.
Hello.
We're in my mum's house in Grays, in Essex. Same place that Russell Brand came from.
Not this house.
Not this house.
But we have another celebrity in the house, Harriet Gore,
Hello.
and she's come to answer my mum's question. What was the question again?
What does the palm have to do with the womb and the placenta?
Oh, thank you. That's the question. That's what I said I was going to talk about in the other video.
Yes.
And you rightly said I didn't talk about it. So this is the time. And that's the palm, the womb, and the placenta are things that we have in common.
Yeah.
Is everybody is associated with the womb because we live there, is the room. Everybody has the palm print because we came out with it. I understand from science that it started forming like 12 weeks or so whilst we are in the womb. And the placenta I call the placenta is also something everybody has in common, which connects us to the mother and to the earth. So because it's something that we all have in common, it's something that the Touch Love Worldwide movement uses to spread this message, because this message is inclusive of everybody. So we look at the things that we have in common and we try to understand the world through those things. So the palm makes us unique because each palm print is different.
Yeah.
So that is again something everybody has in common. So the message is always to maintain that uniqueness, that specialty that we are. The afterbirth is something that again everybody has, and is the thing that plants our DNA into the earth. Because it knows the secrets, it knew the ins and outs of whatever was happening in the womb that no one else knew, and it comes out, and in some cultures is buried in the ground.
Yeah.
But the significance of it is that every DNA is in the ground. We are all part of this earth, which feeds the plants, and the plants feed us.
Yeah.
The food we eat. So we are in the earth, and the earth is in us. So the placenta, as I call it, placenta afterbirth, is kind of the center of the planning, the roots. And when you look at the photograph of a placenta, and if people Google it online, you see the lines on it. It's really like roots.
Yeah.
And the same lines that, it's not the same line, but talking about what they have in common, the placenta has those roots, and the lines have those kind of lines for roots, and the womb becomes, if it's the blood vessels and everything, if you have sort of go in, you see also the lines. So all these lines are, depending on how we look at it, the branches, the roots that connect all of us. Our philosophy is about connection. We are all connected while being special.
Yeah.
So that is what they have in common, and it's really the philosophy that we say. We look at the fact that we are earth, and we are energy, and we are life, and we are connected. And if we focus on all of that, the way we approach life will be different.
Yeah.
Because each person came to the earth with their own land, and that land is the afterbirth, the placenta. Does that answer the question?
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Very good.
All right. Anything else you'd like to say, knowing that if the video is too long, it gets difficult to upload?
That's true.
Yeah. Is that something
Yeah,
else?
we can break it there for the next
Yeah, we can break it down. Is that
If
good?
we have
Yes,
more, we
yeah.
can say
Okay.
it.
Just to say thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure. I've enjoyed coming to Grace, especially very well hosted and loved in this feels like
You're
home
very
now.
welcome.
Yes, you'll be struggling to get rid of me. I'll be coming. I'll be coming very, very frequently
Yeah,
now.
now you know the way.
Now I know the way, and I've enjoyed myself and
Oh,
all the
that's good.
delicious food and the air and the beauty around and all the lovely stories you've told me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Okay.